Hi, Phil Benham here with ProductDyno. In this short video, I want to show you how to integrate your products or collections with Warrior Plus as your payment gateway. This is the method used when creating Warrior Plus products and shouldn't be confused with Warrior Payments, which is a totally different system used with the Warrior Forum. What we'll need from your Warrior Plus product is the product ID. And the way we'll find this is pretty simple. Just log into your Warrior Plus account, click on Vendors, then click on Products. As a side note, if your product is not active yet, click the Show All button to show your inactive products. Then click the product you want to integrate with ProductDyno. Select the product code and copy that to your computer's clipboard. Now we'll go back into ProductDyno, we'll click into our product, to the Manage Product page, then we'll click Payment Gateways to integrate it with Warrior Plus. Just click the Add Payment Gateway button to start adding Warrior Plus to your product. Begin by giving this gateway a name for your own reference. You may want to think about if you'll have multiple gateways or multiple pricing structures so that you can give this a name to reflect those plans. Make sure that Warrior Plus is selected as your gateway, and you'll notice there'll be a Gateway Product ID field. Go ahead and paste in the product code we just copied from the product settings page in Warrior Plus. The expired settings will be covered in another video. For now, let's just go ahead and save this payment gateway. After we save it, we'll notice there's an IPN URL here for us to copy. Click the copy button to copy it to your computer's clipboard. Now, we'll go back to where our product settings are open in Warrior Plus. Scroll down to Custom Integration under the Advanced Integration section. Look for the notification URL field and go ahead and paste in the IPN URL we copied from our ProductDyno payment gateway for Warrior Plus. And that's just about it. At this point, you may want to think about how you're going to deliver your product. Many times, after someone purchases a digital product online, they expect to see some sort of confirmation. And I suggest creating a thank you page on your website, which would include a confirmation message that the purchase was successful and instructions to check their email for the welcome email ProductDyno will send to them automatically. Once you've done that, just paste the URL for your thank you page in the delivery URL field in your product settings on Warrior Plus. This is usually the most efficient way and will eliminate confusion for your customers. Once you're done with the product settings in Warrior Plus, be sure to click the Save and Continue button at the bottom of the page. Now you're all set to sell your product using Warrior Plus. ProductDyno will handle all of your buyers as members and will adjust their access accordingly, as well as remove their access if they cancel or refund later. To learn more about Warrior Plus and other services that ProductDyno integrates with, we encourage you to visit our resources page found here in the left navigation bar of your ProductDyno dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our other ProductDyno tutorial videos.